Hi everyone, welcome back to the NIIT's YouTube channel. And today we are diving into something extremely important for anyone who wants to use AI but doesn't know how to code. Now there is a huge misconception that AI is only useful for developers or technical people and that you need to understand programming to get any real benefit from it. But the truth is completely different. There is an entire world of non-coding AI tools that can completely transform your work, your studies, your content creation, your businesses, and even your daily life without touching a single line of code. And in this video, I'm going to walk you through the top 10 non-coding AI tools that you should start using right now. And these are the tools that help you write smarter, design faster, automate better, research deeper, organize your life, and run parts of your business automatically. Some of these tools, they already have full videos on this channel. So when we reach them, I'll tell you where to watch these tutorials. And for the remaining tools, don't worry, full breakdowns are coming very soon. So let's get started. Now, the first tool that we need to talk about is ChatGPT and the OpenAI Assistant's interface. Even though almost everyone has heard about ChatGPT, very few people actually understand how powerful it really is. You can think of it like a research assistant, a writing partner, a brainstorming engine, a tutor, a productivity tool, and a creative generation all combined in one platform. You don't need to know syntax, you don't need to know code, you just need to know how you can ask it. Now, students can use it to simplify complex concepts, summarize long chapters, prepare notes, create question banks, and get clear explanations. Professionals can use it to write emails, clean up reports, generate proposals, explain technical topics, and prepare meeting summaries instantly. Creators can use it to generate scripts, story ideas, content calendars, thumbnail concepts, and an entire creative direction. And the best part is ChatGPT can adapt to your tone and your style, and you can treat it like a personal AI assistant. I also have videos of comparing ChatGPT with Gemini and DeepSeek, so you can definitely watch that if you want to understand which model performs better for which task. The second tool is Google Gemini, especially when used with Google AI Studio. Now, what makes Gemini special is how deeply it integrates with tools that we already use every day. It sits inside Gmail, Docs, Drive, Sheets, and even your browser, and it helps you summarize, rewrite, analyze, and organize information instantly. You can generate full plans, convert unstructured text into tables, rewrite emails politely, or draft full reports just by telling Gemini what you want. And Google AI Studio makes this even better by giving you a clean interface where you can test all Gemini models without writing a single line of code. You simply type in your prompt and explore different responses. And if you have watched any of my recent videos, you know I have covered Gemini 3.0 Pro and also how Gemini connects to automation tools like n8n. And if you want maximum productivity without learning to code, Gemini is a fantastic tool to start with. The next tool is Canva Magic Studio. This is a dream come true for anyone who needs to design content but doesn't have the design experience. Canva already has ready-made designs that is easier for non-designers, but Magic Studio takes it to another level with AI. You can describe the type of presentation, the poster, the thumbnail, the logo, the social media post, or brochure if you want, and Canva generates complete design in seconds. Whether you are a student preparing a PPT, a marketer building visuals, or a creator designing thumbnails and graphics, Canva Magic Studio removes hours of manual work. I will be creating a full tutorial on how to use all the Magic Studio features in the upcoming video. Now let's talk about Ideogram AI. This tool has become incredibly popular because it generates images with clean, perfect text embedded inside them. And most AI image generators really struggle with text. They create spelling mistakes or messy letterings, but Ideogram is different. If you want to create t-shirt designs, posters, banners, product labels, YouTube thumbnail fast, or mockups or social graphics. Ideogram gives you polished results simply by describing your idea. For anyone involved in content generation or branding, this is a very powerful tool. And I will be making a full walkthrough on this, so you can just see it exactly how to create a high quality designs with it. The next tool is NotebookLM, and this is one of the Google's most underrated AI tools and is perfect for students, researchers, and professionals. NotebookLM allows you to upload documents, PDFs, research papers, transcript, or notes, and then it becomes a personalized tutor assistant for that material. It can summarize your content, explain it in simpler terms, generate quiz, create outlines, pull insights, and answers questions based only on your documents. So it's like having a teacher who only studies your personal notes, and this tool can make learning 10 times easier. And I will definitely be showing you how to use NotebookLM effectively in a future video. Up next is Descript, and which is one of the most easiest video editing tools for non-editors. Descript lets you edit your videos like editing a text document. You remove a word and the video clip automatically gets cut. You remove a filter words like her in one click, and you can overdub your voice, clean up your audio, adjust the pacing, and even generate missing audio assignments using your cloned voice. For YouTubers, podcasters, teachers, and anyone working with video, this removes most of the manual effort required in traditional editing software. And I will also be comparing Descript with Veo soon, so let me know which one fits the workflow better for you. The next tool is OpusClip. And if you want to grow on short form platforms like YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, or TikTok, OpusClip is a lifesaver. You simply upload a long video, maybe a podcast, a lecture, a tutorial, or an interview, and OpusClip automatically finds the most engaging moments, adds captions, zooms, emojis, and pacing adjustments, and turns your long video into multiple viral-ready clips. And this saves creators countless hours. You don't need editing knowledge. You don't need clips manually. You get instant high-quality shots from your long content. Now let's talk about Zapier AI. This is where non-coders unlock real automation power. Zapier connects your apps like Google Sheets, Gmail, Slack, Notion, Instagram, WhatsApp, Drive, and hundreds more, and lets you automate workflows without any coding. With Zapier AI, you simply describe the automation that you want in normal English, and Zapier will build it for you. For example, you can say, whenever I get an email from my boss, summarize it and send the summary on my WhatsApp. Or whenever a customer fills my form and the details in sheet, send them a welcome email and notify me. Zapier builds the entire workflow automatically. And I already have a full Zapier tutorial on this channel. So if you want to automate your life as a non-coder, make sure you watch that. Now next is n8n Cloud. And many of you have seen my videos on n8n automations like WhatsApp bots, YouTube automation, Gemini workflows, sales reporting, and many more. But n8n Cloud is designed for non-coders who want automation without setting up servers or writing JavaScript. The interface is visual. You drag blocks, connect apps, configure actions, and build advanced workflows with zero coding. And if you have enjoyed the n8n workflow on this channel, you already know how powerful it can be. And for those who haven't explored it yet, don't worry, many more n8n tutorials are coming soon, and you can follow up step by step. The final tool on today's list is Poe AI. And Poe AI is perfect for people who want access to multiple AI models in one place without switching platforms inside Poe. And you can connect or use ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, DeepSeek, and even community models, all through a simple chat interface. It's great for beginners who want to compare models or try different AI behaviors without setting up anything technical. And I will be also doing a dedicated explanation on Poe soon, especially how it fits into a productivity workflow. So these were the top 10 non-coding AI tools that I believe everyone should be using right now. Whether you are a student trying to study smarter, a creator trying to produce more content, a freelancer trying to scale your work, or a business owner trying to automate your operations, these tools make you faster, more efficient, and more capable without requiring a single line of code. And some of these tools already have full tutorials on this channel like Zapier AI, NIIT, Google AI Studio, DeepSeek, and more. And the tools that I haven't covered yet, Canva Magic Studio, Ideogram, NotebookLM, Descript, Poe, you can expect deep dive videos on all of them very soon. And let me know in the comments which tool you want dedicated video on. And thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you so much.